you an official update. As you can tell, things have definitely changed a lot. There's some construction going on, so just kind of ignore that. The fan is on because I cannot live without AC, and it's been really difficult. But there goes the saw or whatever. Today is day 3 of moving out, being in a different house, and being engaged for 4 days. I feel like when you get engaged, like you find all these weird positions to be like showing off your ring. You're like, hello there. You know what I mean? I feel like a lot of people do that, but it could just be me. Well, here's my view outside from my kitchen window. A little microwave brew station over there and a fan because there's no AC, so can't live without that. This is just the kitchen. Just a very brief haul just so I can document how the house looked the first week we were in it. And of course the light's not supposed to be there either. I just haven't put it up yet. So this is where we have our makeshift closet, and then we've just got our laundry baskets over there. So that's the closet. Obviously, we've got this carpet in here because we're not so keen on the wood. We've got a little stand by the TV because we were watching Netflix through our laptops with an HDMI cord, but my sister, being awesome, just set up Roku. We no longer need this little side table here, but we'll see where it ends up. This is basically like a little tiny dresser. I have never seen a bathroom this small. I'll be updating you quite frequently on how things are going with the job search and everything. I just really want to be raw and concrete about my life right now, just because I feel like I'm at a point where sometimes it can feel lonely, like you're the only one struggling, but oftentimes everyone else is struggling. You just don't voice struggles, you voice the happy time. And I'm not saying like moving is a big struggle, but it's definitely a huge adjustment. So I was thinking someone either broke in through the window or something happened or an animal got in, because there's raccoons, skunks, wildlife right outside my window. So I thought someone was here because I woke up and literally heard a third set of breathing. So you know when that happens, I'm sure I'm not the only one that holds their breath, and I'm like, okay. So there's one, that's Jesse. Okay, there's another set of breathing. What the heck's going on? So I wake him up and I'm like, shh, I think someone else is in the apartment. And he gets up, like springs out of bed, and he's looking. He's like, I don't see anything. And he looks underneath the bed, everywhere in this place, and can't find anything. And then I look out the window and it's a bird. I hope you guys enjoyed this little house tour. Comment down below what's going on in your life. I want to know what you guys have been up to. I'm rambling, so I've got to go. Bye.